are at the intersection. Anong kalye ba to? We're going portion of saan ba to? So we're going main station. Going main station. We'll be crossing in a ready, Mai? Crossing. Mai. Galakad kami going main station. We're looking for car rentals. So preferably nandun sa main station, because para pagbalik namin we can take the MRT back to Taoyuan Airport on Sunday. So we came from our hotel in Shementing, yung hotel na Tomorrow Hotel, excellent, exceptional, reasonable yung price. So we're walking back kasi kagabi it took us mga 5 minutes lang sa taxi. At ngayon we're doing Taipei walking tour. Kaso mga tao nakatingin sa amin, bakit kaya? Why are they looking at us? May go. Ang galing, no? May, ang galing, they give way sa pedestrian. Wala sa Pilipinas yan ba? Sa Pilipinas, sagasaan ka yan eh. No? All the cars give way, including the motorcycles. Sana sa Pinas pwedeng gawin ng ganyan. No? Because it's green naman, it's pedestrian. So, what's this? A park? Public park siguro to. What tree is this? Anong tree na to? Century tree na siguro to. So again, we're walking back to the Taipei main station. Nandun kasi yung car rentals na near sa hotel. So instead of taking a taxi, take us mga 5 minutes ride lang, around 120 Taiwanese dollar yung fare last night. We're taking a walk ngayon, so kasama na rin yung walking tour, kaya nga naka raincoat kami, The raincoat cost only 90 Taiwanese dollar, 150 pesos, no more. Okay, there's somebody walking there na naka raincoat. Huh? What is this? Ah, they have evacuation. Simple. Parang evacuation center in case of war siguro. Okay.